Hello, this is Christy Kennedy, licensed beauty professional. Today we'll be discussing, can dark-skinned people use milk for facial wash? And the answer is yes, they can. Reason being is milk is great for increasing the skin's elasticity, keeping your skin looking young and vibrant. Now that you have a clean palette to work with, we want to take our cotton swab and place in the milk and begin to apply on the skin. I'm going to use like circular motions here. Make sure you get underneath the nose and around the décolleté. You want to allow this to sit on the skin for at least 5 minutes. And for those that desire to allow it to sit a little longer, you can let it stay on through the night and rinse off in the morning. And so now we want to take our warm washcloth and remove. It's going to help the skin to stay nice and supple and bring back that youthful, radiant glow.